If you love cooking, you need a great tool. Typhur InstaProbe Pro-grade instant read thermometer makes cooking easier. It reads temperatures really fast in less than 0.6 seconds. Your reading appears. This speed is like a lightning bolt for your kitchen. So, you never overcook anything. It's truly impressive, and it saves time too. Therefore, accuracy is guaranteed every time. This thermometer is a real game changer. Furthermore, the Typhur InstaProbe Pro-grade instant read thermometer boasts an OLED display. This bright screen makes reading simple, even outdoors. It is also completely waterproof with an IP67 rating. You can wash it under the faucet. Moreover, its durable design means it handles tough kitchen jobs. You can use it for grilling or barbecue. Similarly, it works for smoking meats or even home brewing. Indeed, its versatility truly shines. It is also NSF certified, meaning it meets high public health standards. Ultimately, the Typhur InstaProbe Pro-grade instant read thermometer is a fantastic choice. It offers professional performance for home cooks. Therefore, you can trust its precise readings. This thermometer is your kitchen's new best friend. It ensures perfect results always. Finally, if you seek reliability and speed, this is the one. It truly elevates your cooking game. Pros: quick, accurate readings, fast, reliable, bright, clear, easy to read display, auto rotates display, magnetic back, uses batteries. No degradation, turns itself on, off, small and sharp probe tip, backlit display 10-year warranty, waterproof rating, readings are instant, OLED display is phenomenal. Cons: runs on batteries, not USB-C, pricey, probe needs gentle handling, plastic at probe base cracked, initial product had issues. Features: ultra fast reading, less than 0.6 seconds, professional grade accuracy, clear OLED digital display, highly waterproof, IP67 rated, great for grilling and barbecue, ideal for general cooking, useful for smoking meats, handy for home brewing, NSF food safety certified, instant read functionality. The Typhur InstaProbe is a super fast meat thermometer. It gives you a temperature reading in less than 0.6 seconds. So you know if your food is cooked just right. It's very accurate and has a bright display that's easy to read. You can use it for grilling, barbecue, smoking, or even home brewing because it's waterproof and built to last. Plus, it's certified safe for food. The Typhur InstaProbe is a fast and accurate digital meat thermometer that gives you readings in less than 0.6 seconds. It has a bright, clear OLED display that automatically rotates, a magnetic back for easy storage, and is waterproof. IP67. The thermometer uses batteries and has a small, sharp probe tip. It also features a backlit display, turns itself on and off automatically, and comes with a 10-year warranty. While it's a bit expensive and the probe needs to be handled gently, it provides instant and easy to read measurements for grilling, barbecue, cooking, and more.